Let's go. Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go. Well, so we have options because that's the national forest.
Ooh.
Wait, is this the trail we took the lawnmower on?
Well, you know what? Bringing the
No,
bears,
it's back there.
bringing the bears that they're catching the DNR traps to the national forest. So they're probably loaded with bears.
But
Why
so
don't
then,
you have any
then
tigers
that way,
and bears?
that way, that's all Papa's land.
Who's Papa?
Like my grandpa.
Baby Papa.
It's like Peppa Pig.
Ooh, she's hot.
Here, I'm gonna have you hold this.
Why is there
I've got
glass
you,
on the ground? Like,
Well, should we shine you?
Well, that's up to you.
you're shining?
Yeah. Well,
I'm getting
we have
out.
a break in the system. We'll shine it on Titus. Ooh. Listen to that.
I was kind of lying. I don't actually have to go. For you?
It sure feels nice though.
Oh, what is this? We cannot be here right now.
Why can't we be here, Titus?
Wanna
Don't
play
worry, this
arrow
is
roulette?
perfectly legal.
I want to play arrow roulette.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I saw it in a movie.
Yes, and I know what movie it was.
Yeah, Guns and Roses.
Oh, well, that's not the movie I was
It
thinking
was
of.
Grown Ups though, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Hey now.
Well,
That spot will be ever from my memory.
where are we going?
Let me hold this.
How about we just go straight out there?
I mean, we could hit the trail, and then we can turn around and we can go right
we're
back
not
to the
walking.
house.
We're not walking that way.
Why not?
Why not? What's wrong with that way, Titus? Are you scared of the dark?
You peed all over it.
Well, that actually.
Stupid!
I'll
You
take
make,
that.
you make a very valid point.
Oh.
I forgot my hiking shoes.
I forgot
These
my
are my
boots.
hiking shoes.
Are you wearing your? You want different shoes?
Nope.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna use my flashlight.
They're $40 from eBay.
I was $40 from eBay.
Well, Titus, I really don't find that hard to believe.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna get killed.
No, it's okay, Titus.
Jason, what are you doing?
It's all for the gram.
Spiderweb.
Oh my, nobody cares. Just go. Oh, Bryson's smart.
What time is it? It is daytime.
It is 11:51 at the current moment.
I know.
God, it sucks. I didn't go to bed till 6 this morning.
You know, one time we were in Montana, and Dad's just like, we're just gonna start hiking. It was like 10 at night. It was fun, and I'm like, Dad, I don't think we should go any further. We're at this strange land that we've never been to before.
I talked to my dad and he.
I think we should check out this nature here.
I talked to my dad and he liked
Do
the
you have
idea.
any aspen trees
Shut
around
up,
here?
you little weasel. I talked to my dad and he liked the idea of you and your dad coming to Colorado with us.
Yeah, my dad liked it too.
No, you didn't.
Ah,
you son of a gun.
There's a maple tree. Just rained
Hey,
on Titus.
Wait, Bryson. Why don't we go that way?
Why don't we go that way?
Let's go.
We're going off-roading. Let's go.
I'm following you guys.
You should be in front. You have the light.
So that's the point.
Oh!
Wow, that tree was a solid tree. Hey, don't hurt my tree.
Titus, what is up with your outfit?
It's your clothing.
Titus.
Oh!
Ooh, Titus, that was bright. Oh, here's a fern. Here, Titus, put this in your hair. You need this in your hair.
Do my hair.
Okay.
Oh, she tickles.
Well, that didn't really fit.
You didn't really fit.
Here, you need,
Look at this. Look at this.
you need to stick this by your ear. There we go. That's more solid. Yeah, oh, no, it's too
a
big.
mushroom, though. It's a mushroom.
A mushroom.
Die, you son of a
Ooh.
mushroom.
Hey.
Hey, don't hurt the mushroom. Respect the mushroom. Here, let's get a close. Titus has killed our mushroom.
No, it's right there.
Oh,
Titus.
Titus, hey, the mushroom's still alive.
Titus.
Oh, look at that mushroom.
Stinker butt.
Will you hold
Titus, eat it.
One condition.
What's the one condition?
You do it first, and you eat all of it.
What, then I would not have any for you.
That's kind of the point. Oh, there's a hump in the day. I proclaim this land in the name of Duckworth. Anyways,
Speaking of that, we should play duck game later.
We should.
why? Cause I can smoke you guys again?
Titus, you didn't even win. Hey, there's a toad. We have.
I was
we have real
sleeping, my
nature.
guy.
There is a toad.
Die!
No, Titus.
Don't respect for toad.
That's because I was sleeping the last time we played duck game, my guy.
That was
Oh, I
your
couldn't
fault.
even see.
Kobe killed Nate 6 times.
No.
Yeah, he did.
What should we call him?
Well, one time we had this toad
Hey, there's
in
an
our
acorn.
air conditioner, and we cannot say his name due to copyright, but that's what we're gonna name him.
We're gonna name him Copyright.
No, I just don't remember
Okay,
the
well
name,
then we're
so
gonna
it's
name him
copyright.
due to copyright.
No, we're gonna name him Guy.
Oh, but that is copyrighted.
So
Does he have a lot of guns?
Oh, don't refer to people that live in outer space. Get twigged. Okay.
I have been twigged.
I kind of forgot which way we came from.
Well,
There's
how
definitely
about
not house lights right there. I think we should climb up a tree, Jason. Bryson.
Okay, here, I vote you climb this
I
one.
can't climb a tree. You suck.
Well, let's climb
Why
this
is
one here. This
everything
one looks
so
pretty
wet?
solid.
You can climb them. You got the legs.
It's called rain, Jason.
Oh yeah.
Rain. I can walk up that tree.
Well, walk up
Wait,
that
no, wait,
tree.
no, hold this.
Here you go.
Okay.
What if I walk up the tree and grab that branch? You think I can do it? Yep.
But what about that back one?
Wait, first I want to check the brick. Oh my, it's actually slippery as crap.
Well, then it's good for you.
Oh. Nope, it's just gonna break.
What about that one?
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
Told you it's raining.
That one's not gonna hold.
No, Jason, step on this one. It feels a little flimsy.
Climbing trees 101.
Don't do it.
Hey, respect the light, my guy.
You should definitely pull you off.
Woo!
Feel it on your nose, my guy.
Well, it's a beautiful tree.
Hey now, everybody. Watch where you put that light, you know?
I legit have something stuck in my leg.
How far?
What the? They're attacking me.
Are they friendly?
They're alive.
Oh.
Oh, they combined the big one.
Titus.
Wait, they actually are kind of burning my skin. Anyways, hey, stop biting me.
What are you doing?
Well, I went for a drop kick.
For what? You just missed. Does anyone have a shotgun? Because you know what will change your life? Shooting a dead tree with a shotgun.
You
Or
changed
so
my
I've been
life.
told. Man,
Okay, let's do something.
you know, I think we should.
Guys, I think we should probably build a fort.
I think we should build a fort too.
Okay.
Let's use this tree.
No, it's literally, it's literally,
Take it out of the ground.
Yes.
okay, let's keep going. Stick her up there.
Oh,
Here, I'll hold your light.
I'll stick it up there. That's a good one.
I have your lights.
There we go.
Hey,
Now you stick this one on that one. Oh, that's not gonna
I
work.
have your lights.
hey,
Okay.
light, give me my light back.
Aha.
Hey,
What if we stick this one
Want
like
to hear
this?
a joke I heard on a story
Hey,
the other day?
But can
No.
I just show you something?
So
I have one already built over there.
Well, let's go see
Oh,
this
let's-
fort. That's much easier.
So
Well, that's all
I
the
heard
further
this-
we got.
I heard this pretty joke on this guy send it on
Hey.
Snapchat.
Respect the
Bryson,
fort, my guy.
listen, my guy.
Well, hey, I'm listening.
So this guy was gonna send it on
Why are you
Snapchat.
treating me like that? Because I like it.
And the joke was he got kicked out of the library yesterday, or the other day, or whenever he got kicked out of the library, because they got mad when I put the women's rights book in the fiction section.
You might have to cut that.
Wait, what are we putting?
What you just said?
Why?
We don't want to get kicked off the air. But it wouldn't be the first
I
time.
mean, you're probably gonna get demonetized. You know
What,
what that
what
is?
does that even mean?
That means you get your video gets kicked off because it's inappropriate.
Well, Titus, you're in this video, so it will definitely get demonetized.
Right now I'm in
The only thing that would make this worse is
this is literally
if
horrible.
Titus was wearing a Speedo and swimming with dolphins.
Wait, you want me to?
Amen.
I've done both of them kind of once. And not together.
Okay, not gonna lie, I'm very concerned for your health. What I'm concerned about.
But now I can't remember where I put
Wow.
Guys, it's raining, I'm telling you. Remember the good old days of Slender Man? Slender Man?
I was a Slender Man once.
Now I'm confused.
Well.
Is that it over there?
Yes,
yes.
we have a fort.
It looks like she's little high.
Well, this is in Colorado.
The grass is so wet though.
Oh, Titus, it's called rain.
You said it wasn't raining, stupid. Remember? I think raining, I'm telling you.
Here we go. Hey, no parking
No
here.
parking, no. Gotta park your four-wheeler somewhere else, you know.
What the crap?
This was the fort.
This is like,
That's what I'm saying. We have spent many hours on this thing.
It looks like it.
this is
It's
what
high
it would-
quality.
This would be like if you like. Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's a stick.
Beer bottles.
What? You guys drink?
That's news to me.
What K-Cuts?
There actually is bottle or
I know.
jars and stuff.
Remember that good old day when we did 100 bottles of beer on the wall? 100 bottles of
Oh,
beer.
that was a great time.
Yeah. We also should we sing the Pledge of Allegiance?
Yes, we're gonna sing the
Just-
Pledge of Allegiance.
No, we're gonna sing the national anthem.
I pledge.
Whoa, there's a mini one with metal.
Guys, you probably couldn't fit in there, so don't go in there.
Yes, I can.
You're probably gonna break it.
I'm just the extra. I'm the twig that was missing.
Shut up. He's now part of the boat.
I am the boat.
Wow.
Oh man,
Well, we can go this
we've
way.
been traveling here
Ooh.
for days.
We have.
We need water and food.
I thought we were on a boat.
There's a tomato.
We're on a boat. We have.
You say tomato, I say tomato.
Well, I'd rather say tomorrow.
Aw. I wish that. Look, technically tomorrow is actually not today.
Tomorrow is yesterday's today.
Technically tomorrow is in an hour.
Actually, that actually makes sense. I can't believe I said that.
Can't believe you said anything.
I guess you should just shut your mouth.
You should.
I forgot about this.
I have mouth shut in my mouth.
What did we forget about?
There's a
crossing.
trail right
Do we have a marsh?
Oh my goodness, the ground sinks in. Jason.
Well, we can go back that way.
I can't remember what this little thing is here.
Oh.
But there's.
Bryson. We have a legit good game to play when sometime. Emma
What's that?
bought it for like $50, but it's really fun.
What is it called?
I don't know, but it's really good.
We're following Jason,
Watch the
which is
wall.
always a good idea.
Holy thorn bushes.
Don't try this at home. Ooh. Ooh.
I don't know, but oh, snakes. What? Just kidding. You think I'm stupid? Because I do. It's all water, isn't it?
Well, it's like no water. I wish I could sing you, but
We look at the lawnmower again? No. We did that one time. We looked
Yeah, you broke the sneaker wagon. Remember that?
you were the one driving. I was riding in the wagon.
Yeah. Remember how the front wheels came off?
Yes, because you wouldn't stop driving. We could jump on the trampoline.
I didn't bring any extra clothes.
Oh, my shoes look like they're...
Your old trampoline?
Yes, it was my old trampoline. We got rid of it after we were missing 20 springs, and we gave it to you guys so you guys could die.
Oh, we fixed it though.
With what?
Springs.
Why?
Extra springs.
Well, then let's jump on her.
Well, make sure to market that. That's safe right here. As you can see, that's a safety hazard right there. We're missing
Whoa,
a spring.
wait, Bryson.
What?
We're gonna get some awesome senior photos. That was really cool. There was like smoke above your head with the rain coming down.
That's natural. That's like an everyday occurrence.
Did you see the garden? We have pumpkins.
Great.
We have pumpkins.
Oh,
There's a hole there.
Guys,
there's a hole.
wouldn't it be hysterical? Look at that.
Huh. Yeah.
If we squashed the pumpkin.
That'd be kind of redundant, wouldn't you? It'd be like squashing a squash.
Dude, don't use words that nobody knows.
We have pumpkins.
Hey,
Dang.
get in here.
Pumpkins.
Get in a close one.
Here.
Whoa. That's a beautiful shot.
Yeah.
Want to hear my impression of a chimpanzee?
Yeah, actually.
Well, too bad.
Well, don't tease me like that, Titus.
I'll tease you all the day.
Well, the day's almost over, so I'm glad it's almost over.
Jason. What? You have a light coming out of your head.
Oh, thanks.
And my shoes are very wet.
You should probably get that checked out.
I should probably jump on you.
Please don't.
It looked good, didn't it?
I don't know, did it?
I'm kind of blinded by the lights right now. I'm blinded by the lights.
I don't remember the rest. I didn't watch the commercial enough.
We're gonna get copyrighted, aren't we?
Well, probably.
Well,
It's okay, it's the weekend.
There's a hole right there. Oh, wait, want to hear the story?
Yeah?
Okay, so me and this guy were cooking some eggs, and
Oh.
I tripped over his shoe that was on the ground and landed on the rug, and the rug slipped out from under me, and I slammed my face into the door, and then my shirt got caught on it. True story, actually.
That is kind of funny.
Jason.
I found something though.
Ooh.
So this was what the house when we originally
one.
Wait, hold up.
It's a
See what
canoe.
we're looking at here.
It's
I
a canoe.
dare you to flip it
It's
over.
not wood. It's vinyl.
You won't flip it over either. Flip her over.
I don't know. It's been here for.
Flip her over.
There's a generator over there.
Flip her over. And his name was John Denver.
That guy's full of crap.
Whoa, you're full
But
of
look,
crap.
it's all vinyl stuff. It's like,
Oh, so it's like an Indian canoe.
don't break
Just
it.
don't step in
It's
it.
cracking.
Think it will float?
Wouldn't it be cool if we did
Well,
canoe
see, there's a
trip
hole
sometime?
there, right there.
Oh yeah.
On the other side. So I think if we patch like certain areas,
She might float.
or maybe you know that Flex Seal stuff.
Ooh.
Flex tape?
Can we saw this boat in half?
I bet we could.
And I saw you.
Can we drive it over shark-infested waters?
I don't know about that.
Where the crap are we gonna find sharks around here, my guy?
It's okay. Haven't you ever heard of the sharks? And
Yeah, I got
laser sharks?
Oh yeah.
That's a solid
New
picture.
home screen.
Kidding.
Mason.
We should get up there.
Don't dry rot yourself. Although I have my tires over there.
The old tires?
For what,
The one that made your truck look less sexy.
Hey,
Yeah.
Less sexy?
Something like that. Guys, what are you doing?
Huh? I just...
Hey, well we can go.
inside.
We go to the garage. We could put this trampoline over. Oh, we could do that too.
Yeah. I'm getting like lighted right now and it really hurts. We could go walk through the corn.
No, we're not gonna walk through the corn.
Yeah, because it itches afterwards. True fact, right?
Even though you're wearing a sweatshirt.
Hey, is this electric?
Yes.
Okay, good.
It's fishing line, you
I
stick
know,
over it.
that's what my parents use. All 20 of them.
Yeah, that'll hold the bear out.
It's supposed to keep the dog out.
Oh yeah, that'll hold the dog.
Oh, when we got here, the first thing we saw was Jason's dog got into his lunchbox.
That was dumb.
Yeah, there was corn all over the floor.
Corn all over the my. You know how I have like my meal plan box. And
Okay.
everything? It was open. I can't find the lid.
Meal plans, what is this?
Weird.
I thought you were Democrat.
I didn't eat it.
Titus, what are you doing? Are you going to the burn barrel?
Home is the place where I belong. Smoking barbecue. Smells like barbecue, not even lying. Kind of smells good. But actually more smells like ash.
We could just go play
What do you-
football.
We could do that too. Titus, why are you walking in circles around me? It's kind of weird.
You know this song called Circles? It's like a, now you know your shapes, won't you sing with me?
I know, I've never heard that one.
Oh, must be a...
My mother didn't teach me well.
Can I give it a good kick in the roundhouse? What? That was magical. I put a hole in it. Look at this.
Look at this.
Hey now. Don't put too many holes in it.
I bet I could lift her up.
Oh, do it.
See, there's no bottom.
Oh, never mind. Dang it, my hands have charcoal.
I did offer you pants.
That made me look like I was the millennial mom. Uh-huh. Oh, we have to watch that video yet.
I don't think I want to.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh, we got.
Hey, wait. We should go climb that mountain.
We shall climb this mountain.
One big step for mankind. Whoa. I'm wet. Yeah, I didn't know you. Look at that. Okay.
You just squashed. You squashed my face in the gravel.
What if we did a chest bump? Backflip.
Well,
Do a flip.
I I tried that once.
Actually, same. Wait, we could jump up Jason's truck into the pile.
But
I have so many rocks in my boxes.
ooh, what can we find in Jason's truck?
I
Hey, now there, Titus.
don't feel like that's
I don't
safe.
know if I trust that, John.
I don't trust myself.
That's probably a good thing.
I believe I can fly for 4 seconds.
Well, like not even like a tent. What are you doing there, Mike?
Well, friends, that's America. Time to leave.
Oh, shoot! Oh!
What would you expect?
That's actually bad! Holy crap! He's soaked! Oh!
I could have told you that much.
My butt is legit soaked. I almost didn't bring extra pants. I'm glad I did.
Wait, you have pants? Why didn't you put on your own
Can I
pants?
do a car slide over your car?
My car?
Yeah.
Well, as long as you don't wreck it.
I did one of these earlier and it will probably look pretty good. Yeet. Looks like you pushed it out right here.
You scratched it.
No, I didn't. That was already there, my guy. Anyways, my butt's wet.
Well, we have explored nature. We came, we saw, we conquered.
What did we conquer?
Say, I
The mountain
Oh yeah.
and the wet chair.
That's really annoying. A little wet right there.
A little bit.
I like the Everglades down there.
Don't even. We're gonna get demonetized, I'm telling you.
Sticky one.
Ready for this? Hey now, buddy. You deserved it. You took me through this dangerous world. I'm leaving.
And Titus is out.
And I'm taking the part. Gonna leave with me?
Oh.